Please stand for the posting of our colors by the United States Marine Corps Company C, Light Armored Renaissance Battalion Color Guard from Gowan Field. We will now have the national anthem by one of our own, a 12-year-old Maria Paula Mazon.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that her flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
That was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. That I couldn't imagine doing that at now, let alone at 12 years old. So that was absolutely amazing. Thank you for starting us that way. It is truly an honor for me to be here today to recognize veterans. For years, several of our veteran monuments have been scattered throughout our city. But through these partnerships and the service of so many people, they are now gathered together here in its proper place. One of these monuments is here beside us, being held by these three pillars. It lists the names of local veterans who lost their lives in combat dating back to World War I. As I have looked at this monument, I recognize the names of people I knew and whose families I have known for decades, having grown up here in Caldwell. As I reflect on their selfless service and sacrifice, I am honored to have known them and their families. Another of these monuments we dedicate today is the Herbert Littleton Memorial that was most recently located at Littleton Plaza, tucked in behind where Norman Jewelers used to stand. It was unfortunately a plaza that time had forgotten. It was decided to bring that memorial here to the Caldwell Veterans Memorial Hall, along with the other monument I previously noted. Through the work and efforts of its city employees, such as Mr. Brian Kita and several other members of city staff, we raised $15,000 at our annual 4th of July festivities to be donated to this meaningful project. And I would be remiss if we did not give recognition to a special young man whose Eagle Scout project was to help remove and relocate the engraved bricks from the Littleton Plaza to their place of honor here. Colin Platt brought a very large group of scouts and other youth together on a Saturday morning back in February to complete that project. I had the pleasure of joining them that morning in the task and was extremely impressed with the group of scouts, their parents, friends, brothers and sisters that were drugged down early in the morning to work hard at completing that. Colin, I hope you hold your head high each time you visit this special place and know the impact that you and your Eagle Scout project had on its completion. Thank you to everyone for coming out on this beautiful, crisp fall morning and helping us to honor women and men that have served our country and those that continue to serve this great country today. May God bless each and every one of you here today, and may God continue to bless the United States of America. Thank you.